Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the New Balance JJJJound 991. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at the New Balance made in the UK collaboration with JJJJound. We got the New Balance JJJJound 991. And before we get unboxing, actually, for those that don't know who JJJJJound are a design studio based in Montreal, Canada. They've done plenty of collaborations with sneaker designers, sneaker brands before actually. They've done one previously with New Balance. They did a version of the 990 V3 made in the US, and that was a dope colorway. It was in an olive. And today we've got a look at the 991, which is solely made in the UK. You can only find 991s, around the world, but they're solely made in the UK factory in Flimby, which is well up north here in England. For those that don't know, or you're new to the channel, we're based in London and we're a British YouTube channel. So I get a lot of comments of people saying they're surprised when they hear my accent, but I'm from London, guys, and Flimby is a place in England, well up north, out in the sticks. And we've got a pair of their great sneakers for you today. So as I mentioned before, this is a collaboration with JJJJound. We've got the 991 JJJJound in the sneaker consignment websites such as StockX. They'll call this olive, but this technically is brown as it's mentioned on the JJJJound website. And we got this in the UK size 7.5. It's US 8, it's European 41.5. But before we get unboxing, I just want to show the box. So it's a traditional made in the UK box. It's a brown box that usually comes in. We've done some reviews of the made in the UK line, so do check those out if you get the opportunity to. And similar to all those boxes that we've done in the past, or that 991s are in, you can find the New Balance logo at the top. But this time you got the JJJJound logo right here. And I know it's a bit funny, it's how it's spelled, but it's pronounced JJJJound. So for those wondering if it is a stutter, it's not. It's just, I guess, the way that it's placed and played with. So it's 4 J's, but it's pronounced JJJJound. So let's get unboxing. And here they are. They are absolutely gorgeous, guys. Beautifully well crafted. Everything in the made in the UK line from New Balance is awesome. You can see it's all hand stitched up north actually, and there's a community behind it because it is handmade by real people, not machines. And so there's also that bit of UK heritage, because to my understanding the New Balance factory in Flimby is the only shoe factory in the UK. I believe that is, I think I'm right with that, but if anyone wants to let me know in the comment section below, do educate me. We're here to learn as well as help you know about sneakers. So let's start with the outsole. So this outsole is all a rubber outsole. You can see that patterning, all the same with 991s. You can see that traction patterning right there. Got the Absorb logo and the New Balance logo that's on the heel. You look at the midsole unit. So this midsole unit is an Absorb polyurethane midsole. So it's got an Absorb technology that a lot of New Balances have nowadays. Really good for that shock absorption and comfort for the underside of your feet. And you look at the upper. So this upper right here is beautifully crafted. You can see the detailing is just really on point. And it's in this, I understand why people would think it's olive, because you look at it and it is, correct me if I'm wrong, it looks really green. But apparently, according to the JJJJound website, it's not. And you can see the upper right here, all this cuts of suede. You can see it at the toe box area, you can see the mesh on the underside there. Great spongy tongue with the New Balance 991 logo. And then if you were to look at the lateral side of the sneaker, you've got the New Balance N right there, stitched on. Again, the cuts of suede right here is magnificent. You look at the heel tab right there at the back, you've got the JJJJound logo. And it's the same on the lateral side, the medial side of the sneaker. You can see the N logo also. Very plush, very lightweight. New Balance design running sneakers. People don't really run in these anymore, but you know, you can use them in your urban exploration and just here in the streets. It's such a dope colorway. It comes with a pair of black laces if you're not a big fan of the cream laces that it comes with. And for me, it's a really dope sneaker. It's great to have in my collection. We've done tons of New Balances in the past before. I'd say my favorite pair is still my New Balance 99 EV2, this Lay Bembury Desert Sands colorway that we've got, but this JJJJound, I mean, you can't really get this on the marketplace unless you're paying resale, which unfortunately, you know, most people have to do, but this is dope. Still a dope sneaker nonetheless. I mean, it's worth every penny. And for those wondering what the weight is of the sneaker, it is 399 grams. I mean, let's round it up, it's 400 grams. Very lightweight. That's what you expect in a running sneaker. Again, as I mentioned before, this isn't typically for runs, but that's the heritage right there for you. Really dope sneaker. Can't wait to try these on. So, well, that footage of me trying these bad boys on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size New Balance fit. These fit perfectly. These 7.5, and they look really cool on. Something I don't think I mentioned on the review is that you got the Bria metallic paneling, find it on the tongue. That's really dope. A lot of New Balances have these. These JJJJounds are really cool. Shout out JJJJound. Shout out from New Balance. Anyone from New Balance is watching, I know that you are. Throw some New Balance. Family Boys way. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.